Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make the video lecture of sequence in series, and I'm sure if you watch the complete my video lecture then you become a master of sequence in series. So welcome to everyone. Okay. So let's start what is the sequence in series and definition and all the things. Okay. So this is the chapter name of sequence in series, and just I'm write the definition, what is the sequence and what is the series and what is the progression. Okay. So first of all, what is the sequence? A sequence is a defined as arrangement of a number in a particular order. Okay, this is the number. You have to define certain rules, a certain patterns, a certain arrangement of a number that is called the sequence. Okay, what is the series? If you sequence A1, A2, A3, An, and if you add a subtract of any sequence, okay, just like A1 plus A2 plus A3, then sequence become a series. Okay. And the next one, what is the progression? Progression is a list of items, yeah, numbers which follow some rules here pattern. Okay. So for example, just I write 1, 4, 7, 10. So definitely if you see, then what you can observe that okay, there is a follow the some rules. First term, this one A1, if you add first 3, then you can get 4. If you add 4 plus 3, then you can get 7. If you add 7 plus 3, then you can get 10. So next number, what is this? 10 plus 3, then you can get 30. Okay, so what is the rules here? What is the follow sum? If you are adding the 3 to every number, you can get the next number. Okay, so this is the progression. I hope you understand. Okay, now what is the arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression, we can denote the AP in the short form, and AP is a sequence such that is a difference of a two consecutive number is a constant. Okay, for example, what is the definition? AP is a sequence such that it is a difference of two consecutive number is a constant. So just like I write here 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. And how can you define okay, this is the AP or not AP? So just you have to check the what is the difference between two consecutive numbers. So I if I write 4 minus 1, so what you can get 3, 7 minus 4, then you can get 3, 10 minus 3, 10 minus 7, then you can get 3, and 13 minus 10, then you can get 3. So what you are getting the constant, what you are getting the constant. Okay, so this type of sequence is called AP. Okay, arithmetic progression. Just like if you write 4, 2, 0, minus 2. So if you can say this is the AP or not, just you need to check 2 minus 4 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, and minus 2 minus 0, then minus 2. So you are getting the same number. So this is the constant number. Okay, two consecutive numbers. So this is the called the arithmetic progression. Okay, I hope you understand. If I write 3, 3, 3, 3. So what can you say? This is the arithmetic progression or not? Simple. Just you have to check 3 minus 3. What is this? You can get 0. Then again 3 minus 3. Then you can get 0. 3 minus 3. Then you can get 0. So every time you are getting the same number. So this is the called the arithmetic progression. If the difference of two consecutive number is same constant and getting the same things, then you can call this is the arithmetic progression. Okay, I hope you understand. So if a sequence, okay, let a equal to first term and d is equal to common difference. What is the, if we have a sequence a1, a2, a3, and so a1 is called first term and a2 minus a1 equal to d and then called common difference. Same you can write a3 minus a2, same you can get the same number because of the arithmetic progression. So what is this? This is common difference. Okay. You, so if I want to write the sequence, the first term is a, second term, if you add the common difference then you can get the same second number. So a plus d, then again how can you get the third number? If you again you have to add the d because d is the common difference, then a plus 2d, then again a plus 3d. Similarly you are, you have to go. So if I write this is the t1, the first term, if I write this is the 2 t2, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth terms. If I want to write what is the tn, so see, this is the 4, this is the 3, this is the 3, this is the 2, this is the 2, this is the 1. So a just less than one number, so n minus 1 into d. So for observation, sorry, only observation, what we can say tn is a n minus 1 into d, where a is a first term, n is a number of terms, and d is a common difference. And this is called general terms. So what is the general terms? Tn denoted by Tn, and what you can write a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the simple, it's not a difficult. This is the only I can write uh, because of the observation. Okay, this is a simple observation of the general terms. Okay, if you see the one question, so this is the question: if the fifth term and sixth term of the AP are respectively 6 and 5, so find the 11th term of the AP. Okay, so this is the fifth term, so what you can write t5, and t5 what you can write, you have to reduce 1 because n minus 1, what is the general term? General term tn a plus n minus 1 into t. Okay, so here we have to write a plus 4d, and the sixth term, and what is the given is 6, and second t6, so you can write a plus 5d, and what is the given? So here is a two equation and two variable, just you can solve. So the subtract, so a cancel, and minus d equal to 1, and d equal to minus 1. So just you have to find the value of a. What is the a? Just put the value of any equation. Either you can put t5 and either you can put t6 and you get find the value of a. So just I am putting d equal to minus 1 in t5. So a plus 4 into minus 1 equal to 6. So a become a 10. Okay, so we need to find 11th t11 terms. So t11 a plus 10d, and we have already got what is the value of a and d. Just you can put the value of a and d, then you can get the t11. So just I'm the putting the value of a is 10 and 10 into minus 1. So 10 minus 10 equal to 0. That means so 11 term of the AP is 0. I hope you understand. Okay, this is the one concept. If Tn a plus n minus 1 into d, so how can you find the d? So just where you need to find it t n minus t n minus 1. I think this is the basic concept. We already understand how can get of the d, because d just you can now find the difference between two consecutive numbers. So tn is the last term and tn minus 1 is the second last term. So you can get the value of t. Okay. Now the sum of the first n terms. So if Sn a1, a2, a3, a4, and so Sn is this is the sum of the all. Before we just find the particular term, here you have to find the summation of all the sequence. Just like if I write 1 3 5 7 9, so you have to find what is the sum of the all the numbers. So this is the one formula. Sn n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Also you can write n by 2 a plus a n minus 1 into t. And what is this? This is the last term. So n by 2 a plus l. So this, we have the two formulas, okay, in different form. One is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into t, and second one n by 2 a plus last term. Okay, I hope you remember it. So just we can see what is the proof. See, Sn a1 plus a2 plus a3 dash 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 n. See, before the proof, just I want to explain one thing. If I write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, if I can say first term and last term, if you add 1 plus 6, what we can get 7. If I can add second plus second last, okay, 2 plus 5, then again you can get 7. If I again go 3 plus 4, then again you can get the same. That means what I can understand, if we have a sequence a1, a2, a3 dash a1. The a1 plus an equal to a2 plus a n minus 1 equal to a3 plus a n minus 3 and so on. Okay, I hope you understand. So if I can write 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6, and if you change 3 plus 2 plus 1, then again you can find the same. Okay, so if we write an, then an minus 1, then an minus 2, then a1. If you add, this is the 1 and this is the 2. To add 1 plus 2, so here 2sn, here a1 plus an, just we are clubbing two terms, then again a2 plus an minus 1, then a3 plus up to an plus a1. Okay, and how many terms? N terms. So before we understand that this one and this one and this one and this one all are the same. Okay, so what we write, this is the how many terms. If I write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is the n times. So what can be the n? If we write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, this is the n times. So what can be 2? Okay, so 2sn equal to n times a plus an. If divided by 2, so n by 2 a plus an. So this is our proof. I hope you understand. Again, you can write the different form. Just you can put this, the n is the last term, so n by 2 a plus a and n minus 1 into d. That means n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. I hope you understand. So we finished our proof. Sn n by 2 a1 plus an, and second form n by 2 a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So there is a two form. The first one this one, and second one is this one. This is the important one properties. See, if write Sn, sorry, you can write note. So Sn minus Sn minus 1. What is this? This is the nth term. And what is this? This is the sum of n term. And what is this? This is the sum of n minus 1 terms. So let's see what is the proof. Simple proof. If you want to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So how many terms? 10. See, if I can find what is the 10 tn, so just you can see this is the 10. Okay, if I want to add all the numbers, so n plus 1, because some of the natural numbers, this is the formula. You can find also the n by 2. Okay, so just I think better you can n by 2 1 plus 10. N is 10. So 10 into 11 by 2. So how many? Cancel out 55. Okay. So from here to here you can get 55. If I write from here to here, if you add 1 from 9 up to 9, so I'll just change the color. So here n by 2 a plus last term. So n is 9 by 2 a the first term and last term is 9. So 9 by 2 into 10. So cancel out. So this is the 45. So what is the formula? Formula is Sn minus Sn minus 1. So what is the Sn? 55 and n minus 1. This is the 45. 1 we can get 10. So see here Tn is equal to 10 and from here you can get Tn equal to 10. So this is the proof of the formula. Okay, for the example. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.